Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is going to be the Friday sketch video for June the 3rd. And it's going to be sponsored again by my little scrapbook store because the kit that I'm using I got from her shop. And we're just going to dive right on in and I'm going to show you guys the kit itself, okay? So this is the 49 and Market card kit. Okay, so it comes with rub-ons. So you have flowers and then you have sentiments on one side. You get these 8 stickers. You get card bases. And with this kit, you actually get envelopes as well. And the cards aren't bad. They're a decent weight. If you want to add weight to it, you could always add a layer on the inside. It'll help give it a little bit of weight, okay? And I want to say it's 8 cards and 8 envelopes. I think mine had a mistake where there was 1 extra, but I think the kits themselves should only come with the 8 and 8. Okay. And then each of the envelopes, you can see them here. They're plain on the inside. And then you just have all the score marks are already done. You just have to fold it up and score your lines. And once you glue it, boom, you have an envelope. I think that's really great. You know what I mean? Because like some of the cards, kits, I know, who is that? I want to say it's Simple Stories. They don't come with envelopes, which is really a shame because it's not hard to add that in. Now, thankfully, I know Michelle does treat people to envelopes, but they don't necessarily come with the kit. All right, so I stopped there for a second and we're coming back because I want to show the actual first set of cards. So I'm using my ATG tape on this because I like how it's stronger, and for the envelope, I want it to stay secure, okay? Because you're thinking, you know, this might have to actually go through the mail. So I just want to make sure it's definitely secure. And if any glue comes out, just use your gum eraser and it'll clean that right up. And there is no glue on the flap that you're going to use to close it. So on all the cards, you're going to see the envelopes. I always leave the flap. I don't put anything down on it. If you have double-sided tape, you could probably use it, but I just leave it plain until I'm ready. So for the card I'm sharing today, we're going to be using this rub-on. And what I love about what 49 and Market is doing is their rub-ons. It's like it's bringing back nostalgia, right? I remember a few rub-ons when I actually started scrapbooking, and then the next thing I know, they were kind of gone. So it was like hit and miss. You might get some here, might there. It really wasn't like a really big thing. It sort of like was fading out as I was starting. So to have these back and done so well, I mean, these are just so beautiful. And just simply taking our thank you stamp, we're going to stamp right below it, and boom. I mean, you have an instant card. You don't have to do anything else. It's so simple. But you know, I'm not going to stop there. Of course, I'm grabbing some Nuvo Drops. And we're just going to create 3 droplets right up here in the upper right. And we're going to tap it. Now, what I like about these card bases is they have a lot of detailed and interest already done on the background for you. Now, if you want to add more and you want to Vicky Boot in it, you can go for it. You know what I mean? You can add stencil work. There's so much you can do. For the process of this, I wanted to use just what came in the kits, so I don't do a whole lot of adding. There's only 1 card that I add something that wasn't in the kit, but I still used items in the kit. You know what I mean? But you'll see as we go along. So now I just took one of the butterflies and I very lightly rubbed it on the back of the envelope. So now when you close it, it'll have a little pretty butterfly right where you open it. I think that is so cute. So here are the cards, and I'm trying to be super safe because I don't want to put my hand into the Nuvo Drops. The green one is already kind of dry because I did that one first. And then the one you just saw me do on camera is still wet. So I'm trying to be careful. So here are close-ups. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button if this is your first time. Or if you've been here before, definitely if you could give me a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate it. And again, I will try and have links down below to my little scrapbook store. So if you are interested in this kit, you can head on over and either purchase it, or if it's on wait list, you can get on the wait list. So that way she knows to order or see about it, getting more of the card kits. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you next week with our next card. Have a great weekend.